Round number 4, and in the round number 4 it's very simple. We have to use the arches of 3 loops, and I don't show you here the raising loop. It was the slip stitch, and it's supposed to be the slip stitch, but you can make a raising loop as well if you want to. Single crochet goes into the arch already, in where all the elements will be from one side. 3 pieces of double crochet, these ones, 2 pieces of treble crochet, all in one arch, and 1 more double treble crochet where you yarn over 3 times. This is very important that all of those elements, including single crochet, go into the first arch. And then we make 2 loops, and you can see a little round circle here in the between in them. It's actually the slip stitch also. This is how we make picot, and picot is usually depicted like that. And after that we go to the next arch with the same elements but backwards. So double treble crochet, treble crochet, double crochet, and 1 single crochet. Again, the slip stitch goes into the top. That's why it's in the middle. This circle is in the middle because it goes into the top of the puff stitch. Let me show you. Here I'm gonna make anyways the raising loop. It will be easier to connect in the end of the round. So this is the arch. It's very little, but anyways all the elements will be fulfilled in here. 1 single crochet, first double crochet, second double crochet, third double crochet, then yarn over 2 times, 1 treble crochet, 1 treble crochet, and the next one again treble crochet. Here yarn over 3 times and double treble crochet into the same arch, like this. Now we are going to make a picot. 1, 2, only 2 loops, and we go in the 2 little loops on the top of this one. Slip stitch and double treble crochet into the next arch. We do the same into the next arch. Double treble crochet, treble crochet, 1 more treble crochet, double crochet 1, double crochet 2, and double crochet 3. And don't forget 1 single crochet into the same arch, like this one. You can see how the petal is formed, and slip stitch into the top of the puff stitch. It's very tight for me, but you will definitely see there is a little hole in there. You just make a slip stitch like this, and 1 single crochet, and we continue the same way all other rounds. Please fulfill it by yourself. I'll see you in the end. In the end, 1 more single crochet is left for me to be done into the last arch, so we do it together. 1 single crochet and a slip stitch into the beginning of this round, into the slip stitch of the first stitch in here, like this. Okay, so you can help yourself to stretch the doily and see how beautiful it is already. And I love the design of the middle. See you in the next round.